cold embrace us and the holiday spirit fills the air. Let's come together to kindle the spirit of love, hope and unity that Christmas stands for. Today is not just about the glimmering lights, the beautifully decorated Christmas tree, or the sweet aroma of Christmas delicious pervading the air. It's about the joy we share, the memories we make, and the celebration of love and togetherness that this season brings us. And our school staffs are appreciated for our annual function. We have organized in our school like Republic Day, science exhibition, annual gathering, and after that our final exam. And when we reopen the school, there are so many festivals that we have celebrated in our school. 25 we are gathered here to celebrate Christmas evening, and also we have to welcome the new year 2026. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। कर जमीन पर उतर जाती हैं और हवाओं में गूंजती है जिंगल बेल की धुन। ये वो दिन है जो खुशियों, उपहारों और भाईचारे का त्योहार है। So I wish you all of you Merry Christmas. Now I would like to call Vivek sir on the dais.
From only Christian but also for other community also. Other community considering Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, everyone. Then it is kindness and love which makes the celebration more meaningful. Since we are into a democratic country where every religion, every languages are being given equal opportunity, caste, creed, color, everything is with consideration. So we also celebrate Christmas equally. Really wait that they have a point of view that they'll get something from Santa Claus, which we are going to do every year, which we are doing it out anyhow. Carols like Jingle Bell, Silent Night, and Red Nose Reindeer, etc. We know that what has been going on. The birthday of
पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, पानी में डालो जी जाएगी, सारा पानी पी जाएगी, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है।
Now our next poem.
Ding ding. Ding ding.
Today take स्वार्थी मछली in हिंदी। एक तालाब में एक स्वार्थी मछली रहती थी। ना ही वो किसी से बोलती थी और दिन भर खाना बटोरते फिरती थी। एक दिन उसे तालाब में एक हंस मिला। हंस ने उसे खूब समझाया। अरे मछली, अगर तुम दिन भर खाना बटोरते फिरती हो, उससे अच्छा है तुम दोस्त बनाओ अपने, सबसे बोलो जिसको खाना चाहिए उसे खाना दो उसे, उसकी मदद करो। ऐसा बोलकर हंस वहां से चले गया। एक दिन मछली तैरती हुई जा रही थी। तभी वह जाल में फंस गई और रोने लगी। मैंने हंस की बात क्यों नहीं मानी, कोई भी दोस्त नहीं बनाए, किससे भी नहीं बोली, तो अब मेरे को कौन बचाएगा। तभी वहां से हंस जा रहा था। हंस ने देखा मछली फंसी हुई है। मछली बोली हंस को कि मैंने तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुनी, कोई भी दोस्त नहीं माना है, किससे भी नहीं बोली, जिसको खाना चाहिए खाना भी नहीं दिया। हंस बोला, देखा मछली, मैंने तुम्हें खूब समझाया, तब भी तुमने नहीं सुना। ऐसा बोलकर हंस ने उसे वहां से छुड़ा लिया। अभी वो हंसी खुशी वहीं रहने लगी और अब उसने बहुत सारे दोस्त बना लिए थे और अब बोलती भी थी वो सबसे और वहीं तालाब में रहने लगी। मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी कि आपको घर में मिल बांट कर रहना चाहिए, सबसे बोलना चाहिए और दोस्त बनाने चाहिए। थैंक यू।
I study in 5th standard. Today we are gathered to celebrate Christmas, a time that fills the world with unparalleled joy, warmth, and a special kind of magic. It's a festival that transcends culture and belief bringing people together in a shared spirit of hope and goodwill. Think the familiar sights and sounds like the twinkling lights on the decorated trees, the cheerful of melodies of the laughing of children, etc. Thank you. Merry Christmas. I speak few lines on our real heroes. The Indian Air Force was assigned descent on October 8, 1932. It is a part of Indian Defence Service. The Indian Air Force was collaborated with the Army and Navy. It is a part. It is a the planes and helicopters. It was jets like Rafale and Sankri. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Aryan Shah. I am a civil engineer. My passion is in constructing. My constructions are always safe and strong. People can live out any controls. I specialize designing and creating buildings. I aspire to construction the tall ESG building in India. My aim is to simplify the lives of people. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Arohi. I study in 4th standard. I am nurse. A nurse helps sick people health. She gives medicine with smile. Nurse check if we are okay. They work in hospital every day. Nurses are kind and very brave. They care for patients with love. They help doctors save many lives. Nurses wear uniform clean and white. We thank nurses their help. Nurses make the world much better. Thank you. सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. माझे नाव श्रद्धा पांडुरंग लेंडे आहे. मी आज तुम्हाला IPS बद्दल माहिती देणार आहे. IPS अधिकारी म्हणजे भारतीय पोलीस सेवेतील वरिष्ठ अधिकारी जे कायदा आणि सुव्यवस्था राखणे, गुन्हेगारी राखणे आणि नागरिकांची सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करण्याचे काम करतात. आणि हे अधिकारी UPSC परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करून निवडले जातात आणि पोलीस दलांना नेतृत्व देतात, ज्यामुळे ते देशाचे एक प्रतिष्ठित आणि जबाबदारीचे पद मानले जाते. IPS ही केवळ एक नोकरी नाही, तर ते देश सेवेचे व्रत आहे. त्यासाठी विश्वास नांगरे पाटील सांगतात, पंगती ठेव विश्वास, घे भरारी झोकात, कळू दे त्या वेड्या आकाशाला तुझी खरी अवकात. थँक्यू.
Very good.
My name is Pranay Sinha Varma. I studied 4th standard. I am reading Srinivasa Ramanujan few lines in English. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great mathematician of India. He born on 22 December 1886. His full name was Srinivasa Ramanujan. He had an talent for numbers and he discovered many mathematical theories. His birthday celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Get up first as Air Force officer. All of you know that
आगे आ
about
जाओ।
Operation Sindoor. सबने
आगे।
सुना है Operation Sindoor के बारे में? It has to be hit by our Air Force team, by the Air Force officer as female pilot, जिन्होंने हमारे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को सक्सेसफुल बनाया था. तो द कम्युनिटी एयर फोर्स ऑफिसर्स वी हैव टू थैंकफुल फॉर दैट. थैंक यू सो अबाउट अ डॉक्टर एंड नर्स ड्यूटी. एज वी थिंक आप सुबह उठते हो, यू हैव अ fixed routine. You have to get up, get ready, and your school timing 9:30, 8 o'clock. That is, you have to come in school, complete your school time, get back your home, complete your homework, and go to sleep. But as a doctor, as a nurse, as a police officer, it is not easy to complete their duties. उनका ना कोई रूटीन होता है, ना कोई टाइमिंग होता है. If they complete their routine daily work and if any emergency is taken place, they have to work out for that. So I would like to thank you all the doctor and nurse helping community. Thank you so much. Next officers, IPS officer. Anyone know the name of any IPS officer?